What?
I like go.
Okay.
Come on.
No, I'm so scared.
Why?
Because there's Momo.
I'm jumping, Mama.
Yes.
How will we go?
Yes.
I'm not ready. With Nana.
Okay.
Again, Mama, I go please.
Okay.
I do please. I see ya,
Stop.
please.
Please. No.
Bucket.
Because you scare me.
I like Daddy.
No. Oh, no. Why?
And you look at it.
What?
And you're supposed to fight a two-face, a two-face, a girl.
You want to sleep?
Uh-uh.
Oh. Why are you sleeping? Go up. Okay. What are we gonna do here?
Hey, Panja.
You want to go sleep?
Uh-uh.
Okay. Name Zia. Because she loves Halloween and she is so cute. And she is clumsy. And me, Rosa, Josie Macarena, and Gregory.